Hi, in this video, you will learn how to install MySQL on Ubuntu version 18.04 and how to create a database once you have the server installed. After you have logged into your Ubuntu server, start by updating your package repositories by running sudo apt update. Then, install the MySQL server packages by running apt install MySQL server. MySQL is now installed successfully. Log in as the root MySQL user and create a database and a separate user for your application with the create database and create user SQL statements respectively. In this demo, WP_DB is the database name and WordPress is the database username. Test that you are able to log in as the application user by connecting to the database. That is it, you have now successfully installed MySQL and created a database that you can use with your application. Thank you for watching this video. Are you looking for a server to host your database and applications? Vultr is a solid provider with servers in more than 12 locations around the world. Visit the link on top of this video and in the description below to get started with $50 in free credit.